Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The washer journey continues. I really thought the vinegar trick and cleaning out the drain pipes would work, but it clearly did not. So we are gonna start replacing parts, and the one I wanna start with is this pressure sensor up here. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Okay, they range from $20 to almost $200. I'm going with this $80 one from Amazon because I'm too lazy to make a login and also don't want a refurbished one. I'll be following this video from Appliance Parts Pros. Let's place the order and wait for our part. So according to the video, we twist to pop the old one off. The hose here, there isn't a connector to it. It's just held in by tension, I think. And this part, a flathead to unlock this clip and then pull the connector out from the wires. All right, here is the old broken one, new one, parts number there. Let's connect it and hopefully, hopefully this works, because if it doesn't, I will have to start messing with the computer over here, and that's gonna be a much harder YouTube video to make. But the connector is in. Let's get the hose in. Clip this back. Beautiful. All right, moment of truth. Let's try to start a load. Unfortunately, we are still getting this error, and I was pretty optimistic replacing this would work, but DIY home improvement, very unpredictable. So next video, we are gonna start messing with that computer. I also noticed these parts were not in focus when I was filming. So now let's get a clear shot. At least this video was really easy to make. This piece was really easy to replace. For now, video 223 done.